Hey, and our journey here in Singapore is ending in a few hours. Hey, and our journey here in Singapore is ending in a few hours. So we are now going to return this tourist pass.
So before you go and hop into your terminal area, you have to proceed here
To the ticket concourse and return
This
your tourist
tourist
Singapore
pass.
tourist pass, and you will have a refund of $10. And after that, it's off to the next adventure. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do follow us and join us in our many adventures here in Hapinoy Travel Vlogs, where we enjoy good food, give you some tips, and of course give you the cheapest and most affordable way to travel around the world. See you guys. So we're now returning the ticket. We are now going to return the ticket here in the ticket concourse, and you will have a refund of $10. So there you go. There you go. We got $10 back. Thank you. So you have chicha money, money chicha.
we're going to our terminal now.
So we are at Terminal.
Terminal 4.
Yep. So it's very convenient traveling here in Singapore because the airport transfers brings you from the city to the airport. So no worries about traveling. Alright guys, we'll be checking in first. See you later, alligator. So guys, when you're checking in here in Singapore, it's a DIY, do it yourself. From bag drop to putting in your tag. So make sure that you read the instructions carefully so you won't miss them. So that's the check-in counter where you print your boarding pass. And then this is your bag. Yeah, we're just documenting it. Yeah, you print your bag. You drop your bag here, scan your passports, scan your boarding passport, and they're going to print it, and then your bag goes all the way. And we're done. We're off to the immigration. Hey guys, if you purchase some items here in Singapore, don't forget to claim your GST refund. You can claim it at the airport, but make sure it is processed from the store where you bought your items. And from there, you will enter your details here at the ETRS kiosk, And then there are options to get it in credit card, to be refunded in credit card or cash
Or even through your Alipay.
or Alipay. So we opted to get it in cash. So we will be getting it after the immigration process. So after we checked in, we went to the GST refund, and then we're now going to the immigration. So there's no photography or video allowed there. So we'll be catching up with you in a while.
Bye bye guys. See you later.